To achieve a script of this length, 7,000 words, we must dive deep into the philosophy of workspace minimalism, the technical mechanics of USB-C and KVM technology, the psychology of productivity, and a comprehensive guide on how to curate a desk-to-go ecosystem. Because of the character limits for a single response, I have provided an extended, highly detailed, and rewritten version below. This script is designed to be engaging, professional, and evergreen. The ultimate Mac Mini transformation, rethinking your workflow. Have you ever looked at your desk and felt that the sheer amount of hardware was actually holding you back? We often assume that to be a pro, you need a dedicated desktop machine, a tower, or a mini PC, chained to your wall, while your laptop sits forgotten in a bag or a drawer. But what if the most powerful computer you own is already in your backpack? Today, we are going to completely dismantle the idea of the stationary workstation. We are going to take your MacBook Neo, treat it like a high-performance Mac Mini, and in the process, build the most efficient, minimalist, and powerful desk setup you have ever used. For years, I treated my Mac Mini as the untouchable god of my office. It was the backbone of my video editing, the engine behind my gaming, and the central hub for my daily browsing. I thought, this is it. This is the peak. But I was wrong. I was paying for double the hardware, double the electricity, and double the cable management nightmare. I realized that my MacBook Neo was actually capable of handling every single one of those tasks. The only thing stopping it from being a true desktop replacement wasn't its processor. It was my habit of treating it like a secondary device. Today, we are changing that. We are going to transform your workspace from a cluttered mess of dongles and wires into a seamless, one-cable ecosystem. We aren't just talking about plugging in a monitor. We are talking about creating a docking station lifestyle that changes how you work, edit, and create forever. The first step is a mental shift. You have to stop thinking of your MacBook Neo as a laptop. From this moment on, it is your desktop. And to make it a desktop, we need to treat it like one. That means getting it off the desk surface. If you have ever owned a Mac Mini, you know the beauty of its footprint. It sits there, unassuming, quiet, and powerful. To replicate that with a MacBook Neo, we need verticality. By using a dedicated vertical laptop stand, you aren't just saving space. You are engineering your desk for performance. When a laptop lies flat on a desk, you are essentially choking it. You are trapping heat against the underside of the chassis, forcing the fans to work harder, which leads to thermal throttling and slower export times. When you stand it vertically, you are maximizing surface area for heat dissipation. You are giving the machine room to breathe. This is a massive win for video editors. I've noticed that when I run my heavy editing software on my MacBook Neo in this vertical orientation, the fans stay quieter, the system stays cooler, and the performance remains consistently snappy, even during long renders. But the real challenge, and the reason most people don't do this, is the connectivity anxiety. We've all been there. The dongle life. You arrive at your desk and plug in an HDMI cable, a charging brick, a USB hub for your mouse, an audio interface for your speakers, and maybe an Ethernet cable. It's a mess. It takes 2 minutes to set up and 2 minutes to tear down. If you're doing that twice a day, you are wasting 20 minutes a week or over 17 hours a year just dealing with wires. That is time you could spend creating. The secret weapon here is the KVM-enabled monitor. If you take only one piece of advice from this video, let it be this: invest in a high-quality monitor that acts as a hub. A KVM, keyboard, video, mouse, switch built into a monitor is the single greatest productivity hack of the last decade. Here is how it works. You plug your keyboard, your mouse, your speakers, and your external drives directly into the back of your monitor. You then run a single high-bandwidth USB-C cable from that monitor to your MacBook Neo. That one cable is a bridge. It sends high-resolution video to your screen, it pulls data from your hard drives, it communicates with your peripherals, and, crucially, it delivers power to your MacBook. The moment you walk up to your desk and plug in that one cable, your laptop is charging, your professional keyboard is ready to type, your mouse is tracking, and your audio is routed through your high-quality speakers. It is a desktop experience in every sense of the word. When you want to leave, you don't unplug 4 or 5 cables. You unplug one. You grab your MacBook and you walk away. Because the laptop was charging the entire time you were working, you aren't leaving with a dead battery, you're leaving with 100%. This is the ultimate Mac Mini experience, but with the added benefit of being able to take your entire brain with you wherever you go. Now, let's talk about the gear. You don't need to spend thousands on custom hardware. A sturdy aluminum vertical stand is an inexpensive upgrade that makes your desk look like a high-end studio. Look for one with adjustable widths so you can ensure your MacBook Neo is held securely. Pair that with a USB-C monitor that supports power delivery. At least 65W or higher is ideal, and you have the foundation of a world-class setup. When it comes to my own setup, I've found that the psychological benefits are just as important as the technical ones. A clean desk leads to a clean mind. When I look at my workspace now, I don't see cables. I see a piece of art. I see a machine that is ready to work the second I am. I've been using this setup for a while now, and I can say with total confidence that I will never go back to having a separate desktop and laptop. It's redundant, it's expensive, and it's outdated. The modern professional needs a unified workflow. Think about the time you save not having to transfer files between machines, not having to keep 2 sets of software updated, and not having to manage 2 different environments. Everything is in one place. Your browser tabs, your editing projects, your photos, and your games. It's all there waiting for you to plug in. This setup is the definition of pro. It's not about having the biggest PC tower with the most RGB lights. It's about having a system that disappears. When your technology disappears, you can focus on the work. You can focus on the creativity. You can focus on the story you are trying to tell. That is what this channel is all about. Finding the most efficient, effective way to use the tools we already have to create something amazing. I know some of you might be worried about long-term battery health or port wear. In my experience, modern macOS power management is incredibly smart. It knows when the device is plugged in and manages the charging cycles to preserve the health of the lithium-ion cells. As for the ports, USB-C is designed for thousands of insertions. It is a robust standard. The convenience of a one-cable life far outweighs the minimal wear and tear on a port. So, if you are currently sitting there with a laptop on one side and a desktop on the other, or if you are tired of the cable clutter that makes you dread sitting down at your computer, try this. Simplify, consolidate, transform your workspace. You might find that your MacBook Neo is the most capable desktop you've ever used. I've spent months testing different hubs, different stands, and different monitor configurations to get to this point, and I can honestly say this is the final form of a desk setup. It is efficient, it is beautiful, and it works exactly how a modern workstation should. If you find yourself struggling with your current setup, start here. Start with the vertical mount, move to the one-cable monitor, and watch how your productivity transforms. This isn't just about desk aesthetics. It's about reclaiming your time and your focus. It's about stopping the struggle with technology and starting to use it to its full potential. We are all creators in some way, whether we are editing videos, writing code, or just managing our daily lives. Why make that harder than it needs to be? Keep your gear simple, keep your workflow fast, and keep your focus on what actually matters. I truly believe that once you switch to this vertical, single-cable, Mac Mini-style workflow, you will never look at a traditional desktop setup the same way again. It is simply the superior way to live and work. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more ways to optimize your tech life.